Let's talk about Kava, guys. This token, woo, man, it's been a roller coaster. So, if you have not seen this chart, this is the weekly of Kava, guys. Now, Kava has been, that thing has been up at almost $9, and we're currently sitting at $1.53. Now, if you are planning to buy this crypto, I think there's a good small possibility that it could bounce off this support right down here. Now, it's basically $1. So let me zoom in a little bit. And I like the higher time frames to get more perspective on what's happening. And like this right here. This is a good possibility, the $1.30 from here, that this is where the price is heading to test down here. Now, if it could, there's a possibility that it might bounce off this right here and enter this zone, possibly wick down, and then head right back up, making kind of like a hammer, and then start building up, and boom, we have a new trend, or trend back up. That's a good possibility right off this reversal. But what I see is that, because I'm trying to think about other perspectives, what other traders are thinking. I think other traders are thinking it's going to go lower, but they think it's going to go lower, bounce. For me, guys, I think the biggest possibility of what's going to happen with Kava is that it's going to enter in the zone, but it's either going to, one, bounce real quick and head back down, kind of like a small pullback like this right here. Maybe like a 1 week, 2 week pullback. But I think ultimately it's going to break the zone and head down lower. I think option 2 is probably more favorable and more of a higher possibility than it is option 1. I mean, I could be wrong, but this is where waiting is going to be a good indicator for that. Just waiting it out. Possibly entering on a short position here and then taking a small profit at this 112. So I'll say my price prediction is be like $1.12, $1.15, and then letting the trade run to head down lower. Now, I'm not a fan of shorting cryptos, but shorting cryptos has been probably the best thing I've done all year, especially shorting Bitcoin. Because I think that a lot of cryptocurrencies follow that crypto. And like Kava, I think Kava is going to be heading down lower, down to 50 or 40 or 30 cents. And shorting from here is possibly a good idea to get a part of crypto. Now, I don't scan out all cryptos. Like a lot of the cryptos, I just go through and check it out as a good trade or not. See if my platform's even for it. But trading is what I prefer more. If you're more of a cash position guy, hodl, possibly thinking about buying at like the 118, 115, $1.15, and then waiting for the pop up and exiting, it's a good possibility, but it might run straight through. I mean, this cryptocurrency is very volatile, and once it hits key levels, you can see it blasts through, builds back up, pull back, and does some counterbalance, like counters right back up, then it just blasts right through down lower. So just understand that it might hit your stop loss, or if you don't have a stop loss at all, then it's pretty interesting. But I do see it going lower, guys. My first target profit is say $1.15 to make it easy. But let's get to some other details. Now, Kava is number 89 on the list with 115,000 people on the watch list. Key, there's a lot of people on the watch list. What they're seeing is possibly making the same idea or even opposite to mine. They're thinking about buying. I'm thinking about shorting. And if it goes down even lower, maybe buying, but possibly no. But we'll see when it gets to there. We'll see that there's more evidence for it. It's worth $385 million. And what else? $385 million. If you want to learn more about this crypto, head to their website and Twitter page to learn more. Twitter, Kava platform, and their website, kava.io. Besides that, guys, head to my website, Andre G. McClendon. I have a lot of stuff there about the economy, charts, indicators, some free education I'm building right now, and for people who program for MetaTrader 4 and 5. You guys can find some stuff that can help you out there. Other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.